Question number 15. X minus 1 whole squared is equal to negative 4. How many distinct real solutions, this is our first keyword, does the given equation have? Now let's understand two terms before solving this question. One is real. What is the meaning of real? All the numbers are real numbers except the numbers which have one negative sign inside the square root, right? So if you have one negative sign inside the square root numbers, these are not real numbers. These are known as imaginary numbers. So if the question is asking about real solutions, that means we should not end up at this stage. Concept number 1. Concept number 2 is, if I have a square root sign, for example, any number say x, so that means it has power 1 by 2, right? It has power 1 by 2. Now, if I square this, right? So that will become x to the power 1 by 2 times 2, which is cancelled. That means x. So if you square a square root number, you always end up at the number. Now if I have x minus, I'm coming back to the question, x minus 1 whole square is equal to negative 4. When it says solutions, solution word, wherever you see solution word, it always means finding the value of the variable. Always, always, always. Finding the value of the variable. So that means if I have to solve this question, I have to find the value of x. And so I have to isolate x. Now I have x minus 1 whole squared. So first I'll take the square root of both sides. Oh, if I take square root of both sides, I am ending at this situation. That means one negative sign inside the square root. So that is not going to be a real number. It's going to be an imaginary number. So x minus 1 is going to be negative 4. It's not real. So we can say for this particular equation, we have 0 real solutions. No real solutions. Yes, we will find imaginary solutions, that is for sure. But the question is only about real solutions. So this equation has no real solutions. So option is 0.